trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the waves. They say you wanna get so high. Breathe me in like
guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a healthy smoothie but helps you gain weight. So this is my smoothie drink. So the first thing, I am using silk, the milk that is like almond milk. So that's what I drink because it helps my stomach too with that. And I'm using blueberry. So blueberry is great to use too to make something different, make smoothie too. It's my first time using blueberry because I never used it before. So yeah, it's like my first time to do that. Now I'm peeling off the stuff that's on the banana. I'm cutting with a peanut butter knife, and that's what I'm using to cut it on there. The next one is I'm getting 2 scoops of banana, not banana, peanut butter. I don't know why. I just thought about doing it. I decided to do that. On there, it looks kind of nasty with that. Ugh. Okay, next. Now I'm not blending it in my mom's blender, so let's do it now. Okay, I went and got a bottle that I could put my smoothie in so that I can pour it in because I don't got another like a bottle that I could use a little different from that, something colorful. But next time when I do it, I'm going to use like one of the other kind of bottles that's like you use for, you know, workout cups, bottles, I mean.
With my drink, damn it. Sorry about this. This was one of juice, you know, in these kind of bottles. So I love this. This stuff tastes really good. But hope I do put it. I'm putting in the description box of what I mix with. With peanut butter, you don't really have to put peanut butter in, but I look it up online, and I look it online about how to, what's proteins, foods that you mix with and stuff like that. And it says peanut butter mixing with mixing with blueberry, banana, the milk, whip it in together. It kind of would help with that. A different drink with strawberry and blueberry with it probably, or strawberry and without the banana, without the peanut butter. Yeah, just like and comment and subscribe, and I see y'all on my next video. So I decided to do this because I want to put some little weight on it. And I see y'all, like I said again. So y'all, I'll put this back on. What's the peanut butter tastes good? Really good. Oh Lord.